Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation. My name is Eric. I help business owners to get more leads on Nextdoor through automation. And today I want to come back to make a video about awareness on social media in general. And I'm going to take the example of Nextdoor because we've been seeing a lot of shady profiles popping up quite often on Nextdoor, and a lot of people notice it and detected it as a scam, but maybe you have not, and this is a kind of prevention message, and I'm going to give you a tool to help you find out and avoid to fall in these scams. Although in that case, I'm not sure what type of scam they are willing to engage you into. But let's start and diving. So first, I made a a video previously on my channel talking about this profile that was obviously a scam because the scammer behind created several profiles in a very short period of time, and a lot of people noticed it. And I also noticed that they had changed the text or the profile picture, but I did not explain you in details on how what method I used to do that. So the today's profile that raised my attention was this one. So beautiful lady, Nicole, in my neighborhood, saying, "Hello neighbors, I'm here to help you settle in and make this place feel like home." So nothing aggressive, nothing shady at the first glance, but use your common sense. How many of your real neighbors arrive in the neighborhood saying this on the first login to the platform, and share a picture like this? So this first tip is yours common sense. Do people really do that with such a picture? For me, this type of picture is more a picture of not my regular neighbors, but more a picture of an Instagram beautiful lady, obviously, taking herself in picture. So you have all the codes of Instagram or TikTok, showing a cool outfit, holding the phone, and taking herself in front of a mirror. So that's number one, use your common sense. But if you want to dig a little bit deeper, as I usually do, you can use a function that is very helpful on all PC if you are using Google services, and also on your phone. So I'm going to do these two methods, first one on PC and second one on mobile. So what I usually do is I select this picture, I right click on it, and I say search with Google Lens. And it's a service that is now available to everyone. And I do this, and I'm going to put myself on the other side, and Google will suggest you on your computer pictures that he found with a high level of similarity. So here you see Google sees that there's a nice pink robe, and is going to suggest you similar pictures with pink robes, starting with people holding a phone. So this is very similar to that one, but yeah, Google does not find similar, more an exact match to the one we are seeing right now. And of course, Google wants to promote e-commerce businesses, so it will point you to all the stores selling similar outfits. And that can be used if you find somebody is wearing nice sneakers. You can do the same stuff and find shops who are selling the same. And So it's not a match for this search. So what I did is I opened the profile picture of that person. So I opened it in a different tab, and I did exactly the same. So I right click on it and I say search with Google Lens. It's selecting the picture on its own, and there you go. You have an exact match of that original picture. And as you see, it's referenced as baginia.org and with some Cyrillic letters. So I open it in a different tab, and it's a kind of forum from Russia, or I don't know, whatever country that is, Ukraine or any of these Russian speaking or Cyrillic writing countries. So this is a much higher probability that this account is not correct, because we see the name of that person originally posting here. We have, yeah, the name, and it's definitely not Nicole Bernadette. So I did a little bit more, and I clicked on this profile because I wanted to see more, and Nextdoor apparently took action to delete it. Probably people flagged this profile, or they maybe made a mistake. So good on Nextdoor to detect that perfectly. But some other profiles can maybe not go through this security or safety check. And now I'm going to tell you how you can do it on your mobile phone, because majority of users have the Nextdoor app installed on their mobile. So I've made a small video, and hopefully we can see that properly. I'm going to reduce myself a little bit more. So what I did is I took screenshots of the two pictures we've reviewed. So the picture of the picture of the profile, that one, and picture of, and I'm losing it, okay, never mind, but you've seen that just before. So I have these two pictures in my yeah, okay, so let me run this video. Pictures are in my photo library. I open Google, oh, hold on. So I open Google, the Google app. Sorry, I missed to show you that. So I open the Google app on my phone. Whether you're on iPhone or Android or any others, you should have you can install the Google application. So that's what I did. Then I clicked on this small, let me do that. No, I cannot do it. So I clicked on this small icon, which is the Google Lens function. So the Google Lens function is opening and is asking you whether if you want to take a picture. But I've taken the picture, a screenshot of the profiles that I wanted to investigate. So next I'm going to click on my library of pictures here, and I'll be able to search the pictures that I have already taken as a screenshot in my library. So I select one. I select first this one, and I have the same result as I did on the computer. So there is no match. So I'll go again and select the profile picture and search again with my mobile, and the result is exactly the same. So I detect that this is from Russia, and that's how I find out that it is not a, or the high probability that it is a scammer. So that's what I wanted to show you. Let me go out, and so this is the end of my small message on how you can prevent yourself and before you leave. If you find this video interesting, and you can give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and also if you are a business owner and you need some assistance to get more leads on Nextdoor, and if you want to know all my secrets, all my strategies that I've developed over the years to be successful on Nextdoor, you can watch the video I'm going to show you at the end of this video, and it's going to be here suggested as the next video. And also what I wanted to say is yeah, my final word is, I don't know what would be the scam they would be suggesting. So just to give you some different ideas of scams, so they can try to friendship you. I don't know. Sorry, I'm French, so my English is not always perfect. They maybe want to befriend you and make you fall in a trap of asking you to send money and stuff like that, or get you to buy some things, or redirect you towards some dating app, or ask you to call her on a number and it's obviously not him or her, and pay huge amounts on phone bills or subscriptions, type of stuff. So always be careful. And if you see these two nice profiles to be true, and there might be some, and there are obviously cute looking girls all around the world, and also in our neighborhoods, but just be aware. And it can be also true that we have also male profiles doing the same thing. So that's the end of my raising awareness on Nextdoor video, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Take care, bye bye.